Hello everyone. In this video we learn about Power Platform. What is Power Platform? Power Platform is nothing but a low code no code approach. By using this Power Platform, we can build applications and connect to software application very less code. The low code programming language we are using under the Power Platform called PowerFX. By using PowerFX, we can express the logic by just like navigate and submit form like that. We can perform simple one line of code expression language to build the applications. Whenever we are talking about Power Platform, the four key products come into the picture called Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. What is Power Apps? What is Power BI? What is Power Automate? And what is Power Virtual Agents? Power Apps. Power Apps is a SaaS-based rapid development application. We can connect to business data stored in Dataverse or SharePoint or any other third-party applications also. By using Power Apps, we can build three types of applications like model-driven applications, Canvas apps, and portals. Now we are calling portals as Power Pages. We can look all this into later sessions. Okay. Now what is Power Automate? Power Automate is nothing but the online workflow service. By using Power Automate, we can connect to different types of connectors. Like we can connect to Outlook, we can connect to SharePoint, we can connect several connectors. Can use a what's called actions triggers in the Power Automate. These are the two important words we are using the Power Automate. Those are nothing but triggers and actions. And Power BI. Power BI is nothing but the representation of data in the form of chatbots or dashboards. By using Power BI, we can represent the data in a very meaningful manner of our organization or any tables. What is Power Virtual Agents? By using Power Virtual Agents, we can build a chatbots. Like whenever we want to chat with any customer care, we'll open some chatbots like that. The type of virtual chatbots we can create with less code by using this Power platforms. And you can see users can enable chatbots to perform an action by simply calling the Power Automate flow. Means whenever you are using the chatbots, if you want to perform some action, then you can simply call the Power Automate to perform that action. Now the first one we are going with the Power Apps. What is Power Apps? We already discussed that. Power Apps is a rapid development with a low code and no code approach. You can see here, using Power Apps, you can quickly build custom business apps that connect to your data stored in either in underlying data platform means Dataverse or any other data sources like SharePoint, 365 or SQL Server and so on. And by using Power Apps, we can build the applications very easily and without writing any single line of code. Whenever we are talking about the Power Apps, we can create three types of applications: Canvas apps, model-driven apps, and Power Apps portals. Now we are calling this as Power Pages. And you can see here, easily build professional grade applications that transform processes and solve tough challenges without a single line of code. Whenever we are talking about power, that is nothing but less code approach. What is Canvas app? Canvas app. Whenever we want to build a application, like whenever we want to use some tablet or mobile, we can build applications by using Canvas apps. Canvas apps is a horizontal or vertical platform. We can represent our app in a vertical format like portrait, landscape like that, and without writing any line of code. We can integrate business data from wide variety of data like Microsoft or any third party also. We are not only using data versi, we can use third-party sources also. But by using model application, we can connect with only data versi. That is nothing but data model. Power Apps provides you with a blank canvas app. You can use whenever you want to develop applications with canvas app. You can use black templates or you can use any existing also. Means you can use any data model like tables and we can do it, or you can directly go ahead with the blank and we can just drag and drag approach. You can create the apps. Canvas apps begin with building the user interface. Okay, that means whenever it will show some blank screen, we can create your user experience with rich UI as you are expected. And this Canvas apps is a role based or task based one. The language which you are using in the Canvas apps is nothing but the powerfx. You can see here Microsoft powerfx is a low code programming language based on this spreadsheet like formulas. Means whenever you are using Excel sheets, you can see in the like fx of something like that. Same that type of approach we are using in the Canvas apps to perform simple operations like navigate, submit form like that. In the next session, I will show you how to create a Canvas apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.